Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best water bottle in the A5 size category. The memobottle A5-25oz, a sleek, slim, and innovative hydration solution designed to fit seamlessly into your daily life. Right from the start, what sets the memobottle apart is its unique flat, paper-inspired design. Unlike traditional bulky bottles, this one slides effortlessly into your bag, lying flat against your laptop, books, or folders. It's designed for convenience and to save space, making it ideal for anyone who carries a backpack, briefcase, or tote. The memobottle A5 holds a generous 750 milliliters or 25 ounces, which means it can keep you hydrated throughout the day without needing constant refills. Despite this capacity, it remains ultra-lightweight, weighing only 170 grams, and is made from BPA-free Triton plastic. This material is not only durable and clear but also safe, freezer-compatible, and resistant to impacts, making the bottle ideal for everyday use, travel, or office environments. A premium stainless steel lid tops the bottle, equipped with a leak-proof silicone seal, so you don't have to worry about spills. The design thoughtfully balances form and function, ensuring it handles both hot and cold drinks without compromise. The bottle's flat shape means it stands securely on most surfaces despite looking different from your typical cylindrical water bottle. One of the standout aspects of this bottle is its sustainability mission. Since its launch in 2014, memobottle has aimed to reduce single-use plastic waste by creating reusable bottles that people actually want to carry everywhere. Plus, with every purchase, memobottle provides 5 months of clean water to those in need through a partnership with water.org. So by choosing this bottle, you're not only upgrading your hydration game but also supporting a meaningful cause. Cleaning is straightforward. Simply hand wash with warm water and dish soap or a bit of vinegar to keep it fresh. Because of its slim design, it fits nicely in narrow spaces and can be conveniently packed in travel bags without adding unnecessary bulk. It's also BPA-free and dishwasher safe, although hand washing is recommended to maintain its clarity and durability over time. The memobottle A5 comes in a transparent finish that highlights its modern and minimalist aesthetic. It's designed to complement your lifestyle with a look that's both functional and stylish. The bottle ships in a recyclable, premium gift box, making it an excellent gift option for friends, family, or colleagues who appreciate thoughtful and sustainable products. If you're someone who values practicality, eco-conscious design, and a bottle that won't get in the way of your daily essentials, the memobottle A5 is definitely worth considering. With a 2-year manufacturing warranty, the brand stands confidently behind its product, promising quality and longevity. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in a bottle that combines clever design, sustainability, and practicality, the memobottle A5 could be your next favorite companion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product insights and critiques.